Okay, and you can see my folder. So this is my OneDrive. So let me click here on OneDrive, and in OneDrive, I have multiple folders. So I had already created one folder called Precalculus 1 Cloud. If I go to that folder, then I already have some files there. And one of the things you have to do is after you download from D2L, right? So this is something, let's see, when you're doing the tutorial, you put the cursor on top of US population size. When you click that, that's going to download that file into your local computer. Typically, it's going to go into typically that's going to go into the downloads folder. And so what you want to do next is you need to know where that CSV file is in your local computer, because when you hit upload, you need to locate that file. So let me show you what that is about. So you go here to click upload, choose files, and then you need to choose the location of the file. I think some people got kicked out. The location of the file, and then you choose to upload that file. Okay, so let me see here. I'm gonna say cancel, and need to switch to. Okay, where are we at? Right. So after we do that, you will, let me repeat that maybe again. So let me share this screen because you're gonna need this part. So after the file is uploaded, so I can see this file there, right? The CSV file. I'm gonna click on it, and when this file opens, so right now you can see something that says view only. So you want to hit this edit. You want to be able to edit it. So you're going to click on edit. You see a window and choose convert. And when you choose convert, this will open the file here in OneDrive. And here's where you can go and select maybe all of those numbers, maybe just a subset of these numbers. Okay, you select them, and then you're gonna go to insert, and you're gonna go to scatter plot. So are you guys with me? So once you upload the file in OneDrive, you are going to open this file. You're going to choose to be able to edit the file, and you highlight the two columns or a subset of the two columns. And now, then after you do that, you go to insert and scatter. This looks maybe different than your computer because I'm using a Mac. You may have a Windows machine. So when I hit scatter, I choose this option, which is a scatter plot, and that's the plot I get. So this is part of what's involved in this activity. The other part is that you're going to go and create, go here, new, and hit Word document, okay? And this is gonna open a blank file. Takes a few seconds due to the speed of my internet connection. Okay, and what I will want to do is I want to select this plot. I think you just right click on it. No, not that. You select it and copy. And then I'm going to paste that in here. So it would be good for you to write your name there. Okay, so name, my data plot. All right, so then this document is, here, maybe I did that too fast. Here on top, you see that there is a drop-down menu, and you can choose, I think we would say they're called these hello data or something like that. You just choose a name for that file, okay? And because that's in the cloud, it's automatically saving. So I'm switching here that view of the cloud, and I'm refreshing, and then you see how there is a file there called hello data. So if I press over this file, you see that blue dot next to that, so I can select or unselect that. I put the cursor there and click on it, and then there is a blue circle. And once that happens, I see on the top navigation bar, there's something that says download. So if I hit download, I will be able to download that file. That's exactly what I'm gonna do, okay? I'm downloading, and now I'm going to switch over D2L. I'm gonna switch over D2L. Let's see, I still have the student view. And in D2L, I go to the bottom of this tutorial, and I can access that folder by clicking this, or I can go to module 1. Okay, there's a couple of options here. Go to module 1 and go to the learning guide. So I'm gonna do that, module 1 learning guide. And project digital readiness, I click on this. This is going to redirect me to that portion of D2L that's called Dropbox. So we're in D2L Dropbox, and this thing is called project digital readiness. So I go here, it says add a file. So I click on this, choose my computer, choose upload, and here I want to, I'm showing you all my secrets there. You're gonna have to bear with me. So I here choose the folder, the directory on my computer. I'm choosing the downloads folder where I have that. This is the file that I created on OneDrive. I downloaded that into my local computer, and now I'm selecting it here, and I am, you always have to wait a few seconds, sometimes a minute or two. When you see that name of that file there, you hit add. And then you will see the name of the file you meant to upload. You can write a comment if you like. So here we go, and then submit. So after you submit, there is a little summary here. And because I believe this is still open, I think you can submit multiple times. Okay, so if you go to the name of this again, no, this is not the right one. So let me go backwards. And the one we're working on is this one, the digital readiness. So long as this folder is still open, it provides you with the opportunity to add, so you can submit more than once, okay? But after this is after this has been scored, you will see something in the point distribution or rubric, okay?